Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 6 best play kitchen set. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. ROBUD Play Kitchen Set. Wooden play kitchen with ice maker. Fridge, coffee machine, oven, dishwasher, microwave, kitchen accessories. Toy kitchen gift for boys/girls. Diverse functions. This kitchen set opens up a world of exciting possibilities, including a refrigerator, ice maker, coffee machine, juicer, microwave, oven, dishwasher, and a variety of kitchen utensils and coffee cups. With so many features to explore, it becomes a center of creativity and fun for kids. An exquisite play space. This green corner kitchen playset for kids features elegant gold handles and accessories, combining a natural and refined look. With smooth edges and lightweight, durable cookware, it ensures safe playtime for children. All products and accessories are crafted with smooth, burr-free surfaces, allowing children to play joyfully and safely. The kitchen also has hollow handles on both sides, making it easy to move and enjoy in any room of the house. Excellent quality. ROBUD's brand is synonymous with premium materials, showcasing its dedication to excellence and superb craftsmanship. Every detail is meticulously designed and carefully selected to ensure maximum durability and an outstanding user experience. Easy installation. Despite its numerous fun features, this kitchen playset is incredibly easy to assemble. The simple and clear instructions make setup a breeze, allowing kids to start playing in no time. Exciting gift. This toy kitchen set is an excellent gift for any occasion. Whether it's for a holiday, a birthday, or just because its adorable and charming design will captivate children. It stimulates their imagination and helps create wonderful moments of fun and play. Number 2. Tinyland Play Kitchen for Kids. Wooden Kids Play Kitchen Playset. Chef Pretend Playset for toddlers with real lights and sounds. Toys Kitchen with 18 pieces toy food and cookware accessories. Wooden play kitchen, made of eco-friendly, non-toxic wood, BPA-free. This space-friendly toy kitchen is 31 inches wide and 12 inches deep after being assembled. Great for a cute nursery. Let kids put the chef hat on and cook a meal for their guests. Ready to play immediately. Come with many accessories, including cutting food, toy kitchen sets, a chef hat, and apron. Exclusive design wooden play kitchen set, ideal gift for kids' birthday and Christmas. Get a toy kitchen in one package. Lots of playable features. The new model stove and range would have a SimLife sound and lights with button control and automatically turn off. Kids would get endless fun with this playable oven, refrigerator, microwave oven, faucet, and removable sink. Adjustable height suits age 3 to 7, ideal learning toy should grow with kids. Our play kitchen can easily be set to a 3 height stage to suit kids age 3 to 7. You can teach your kids about food, common skills, and cooking by giving them different accessories or letting them explore the kitchen while playing. We care about quality. We have strict requirements for all wood we use, BPA-free, non-toxic painting. Past physical and chemical safety tests far beyond the U.S.ASTM F963 and EU EN 71 standards. Because it matters to kids' health. Number 3. Kids Children Pretend Toy for Babies. Kitchen playset and play kitchen toy set with light. Sink with faucet, oven, microwave, kitchenware set accessories for ages 3 to 8 girls boys. Simulated design wooden play kitchen with lights. Oven, cabinet, freezer, refrigerator and microwave doors open and close. Equipped with a variety of realistic cooking utensils, make pretend play more lively and interesting. Create an immersive play experience for children and kids. Imaginary fun, kids' interests and hobbies, exercise hands-on ability, and improve language expression and social skills in game. A wonderful cooking food toys and games for children's coordination and imagination development. Toddler's kitchen has enough storage space to cultivate children's storage ability and develop a good habit of tidying things up. Perfect play kitchen for toddlers 3 to 8. The wooden toy encourages role-playing, problem-solving, and fosters a love for cooking and pretend play game. Anti-scratch reinforced surface prevents damage from finer nails or contacts with other objects. It also eliminates the possibility of children eating the paint. The kitchen is built to last and will not wear out anytime soon. High quality and sturdy, made of eco-friendly, non-toxic wood, very safe for toddlers and kids. Complying with USASD MF963 and CPSAA standards, it promises safety and endurance during play for preschool infants or toddlers. Geek Gift not only provides fun playtime for young children, but is also important for education. The perfect play kitchen for 3 to 8-year-olds is ideal for creative role-play toy and the perfect gift for kids. Note: kitchen toys come with assembly instructions. You need to prepare a screwdriver. Please contact us in case of missing parts or installation problems. Number 4. Best Chef's Kids Kitchen Playset. Indoor/outdoor kitchenette. Interactive play with lights and sounds. Made of durable plastic. Includes 25-piece toy accessories for toddlers 2+ years old. Toddler kitchen playset. Little chefs can't wait to whip up some fun with the Step 2 Best Chef's Kitchen playset. The stylish, open design and fresh colors complement any play area and allow for engaging social play. Dimensions: 35.8-inch HX 34.4 WX 11.5D. Interactive features. Kids' kitchen set features various interactive features to enhance pretend play. Little ones will love the working oven and refrigerator doors, pass-through kitchen window, pretend stove burner with lights and sounds, and so much more. Easy storage. When playtime fun is done, multiple accessory hooks and shelves along with the recycling bin help store the 25 included play kitchen accessories to keep this playset looking neat and tidy. Unmatched durability. This toy for toddlers is made with durable, double-walled plastic construction with molded in colors that won't chip, fade, crack, or peel, so it will last through generations. Plus, it's low maintenance, just wipe down as needed. Skill building fun. A small kitchen of their own provides hours of fun for toddlers, preschoolers, and kids, encouraging little ones to develop fine motor skills, role-playing, language skills, and critical thinking. In the box, play kitchen, decals, 25-piece accessory set. Number 5. Step 2 Elegant Edge Kids Kitchen Playset. Indoor/outdoor kitchenette, interactive play with lights and sounds. Made of durable plastic, includes 78-piece toy accessories for toddlers 3+ years old. Fun playtime. Entertain your little chef for hours with pretend sink, large countertop, refrigerator, and oven. Supports role play, develops social skills in children, makes sense of real-life situations. Interactive toys, realistic lights and sounds. 78-piece toy kitchen playset. Enhance playtime with pots, pans, silverware, coffee pot, blender, storage bins, and food. Batteries not included. Space saver, compact, fits into small spaces, lightweight, easy to move, can use outdoor. Assembled dimensions: 50-inch HX 65.75 WX 14D. Easy to clean and assemble. Use disinfectant wipes or household cleaners to clean for sanitary play environment. Adult assembly required. Includes assembly hardware. Durable, built to last, double-walled plastic construction. Years of use with colors that won't chip, fade, crack, or peel. Number 6. Kids Kitchen Playset. Wooden play kitchen. Height adjustable. Comes with various kitchen accessories. Ideal role-play toy gift for toddlers and kids ages 3 to 8. Versatile cooking fun. Enter a world of pretend play with our interactive kitchen set designed for kids ages 3 to 8. Featuring realistic appliances including a cooktop that makes sounds and a realistic ice maker, the set encourages creative role-play and helps develop early cooking skills. Interactive features include turning knobs, opening cabinets, and an adjustable timer, making it a fully immersive experience. 3 adjustable toy heights. The first height is 39.37 inches, which is perfect for babies around 3 years old. The second height is 42.12 inches, which is perfect for toddler aged 4 to 6 years old. The third maximum height is 45.27 inches, which is perfect for children aged 6 to 8 years old. Your child no longer has to kneel to play kitchen pretend games. This kitchen toy can grow with your child. Safety and durability guaranteed. Our wooden toy kitchen set is made of high-quality, child-safe materials and meets USASD MF963 and CPSAA standards, ensuring a safe and durable play experience for your children. Our kitchen toy set adds an anti-tip design to ensure that the product will not tip over, protecting your child's safety at all times. Children's playground. It is very suitable for several children to get together. Everyone can come here to pretend that they are in a restaurant. They can order food, cook, be waiters, and be customers. In the process of playing, children can enjoy their childhood and learn some useful knowledge. Exciting gift, this stylish toy kitchen is not only impressive but also of excellent quality. Suitable for both boys and girls, it accompanies their growth, bringing endless joy and precious memories. Ejibibo Toy Kitchen is a gift worth cherishing, creating wonderful childhood memories for children. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.